In today's session, we'll calculate room machine capacity. Okay. So outside air, what do you mean by outside air? क्या बोला था मैं? Outside air क्या है basically? Outside air is the air which we are intentionally supplying to maintain the oxygen level, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when I am supplying this outside air, what happens is okay. Now from outside, how much CFM we are supplying? We are supplying 60 CFM, right? Okay. When the 60 CFM, when I am supplying 60 CFM from outside, all the air will come in contact with this coil? No, right? Some air may escape from the gaps of this coil, right? Are you getting my point? The air which is contacting with this coil is called as contact factor. The air which is escaping from this coil, okay? The air which is escaping from this coil, वो air bypass factor बोलते हैं. So the air which is not coming in contact, okay, the air which is not coming in contact is called bypass air. And this bypass factor लेके हमें कितना हीट इधर से रूम पे ऐड हो गया हमें कैलकुलेट कर दिया. अभी मेरा मशीन क्या करना है, अभी रूम पे कितना हीट है वो हीट को भी निकालना है. Machine has to remove this heat, plus machine has to remove the heat which is coming in with respect to contact factor. Okay, that is where we calculate outside air heat with respect to contact factor. Always bypass factor plus contact factor is equals to 1. Okay. So with respect to sensible heat, CFM into delta T into 1 minus bypass factor. Contact factor equals to 1 minus bypass factor into 1.08, which is 60 into 31 into 1 minus 0.4 into 1.08, which is 1205.28 BTU per hour. Latent heat. L. CFM into delta grains per pound into 1 minus bypass factor into 0.68, which is 856.8 BTU per hour. CFM आउटसाइड एयर हीट में कितना CFM है वही CFM इधर लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. Therefore, grand subtotal QT equals to S plus L. Grand subtotal equals to QT plus S plus L, which is 13180.45 plus 1205.28 plus 856.8, which is 15359.43 BTU per hour. एक ग्रैंड सब टोटल के लिए मैं 3% फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी ऐड कर रहा हूं. 3% factor of safety. So after adding 3% factor of safety, that is 15703.31 BTU per hour. It is a grand total heat. So 1 TR equals to 12,000 BTU per hour, which is 15703.31 divided by 12,000, which you will get 1.30 TR. That means that room requires 1.30 TR. Okay. So this value when we can use, हमें कब यूज कर सकते हैं वैल्यू, ये वैल्यू हमें यूज कर सकते हैं when you are using window AC, split AC, ductable split and VRV or package, which means direct refrigeration system. आप कब डायरेक्ट रेफ्रिजरेशन सिस्टम यूज कर रहे हैं तभी ये यूज कर सकते हैं. When you come to the indirect refrigeration system, Okay, when you come to the indirect refrigeration system, in the indirect refrigeration system, so to calculate the CFM, हमें CFM के हिसाब से machine select करते हैं. To calculate the CFM with respect to indirect refrigeration system, हमें effective room sensible heat factor calculate करना पड़ेगा. Effective room sensible heat factor equals to effective room sensible heat by effective room total heat. Effective room sensible heat by effective room total heat. Therefore, 11,670.29 divided by 13,180.45. Okay, so which is 0.88. So after finding effective room sensible heat factor, this factor, हमें effective sensible heat factor use करता है to find the apparatus dew point temperature. That means chilled water supply temperature. Okay, we are going to calculate to find out the chilled water supply temperature. So to find out the chilled water supply temperature, that is apparatus dew point temperature, हमें page number, this page number I will give you in your handbook. Page number 160. Page number 160. Page number 160 से 1 minute sir. Page number 160. Consider indoor conditions. Water ivakonni. Indoor design conditions, we need to maintain 75 degree Fahrenheit, right? As we need to maintain 75 degree Fahrenheit, and what is the RH you are maintaining? You are maintaining RH of 50%. Okay, so by considering these two values, ESHF कितना है? हमारा 0.88 है. As हमको 0.88 नहीं मिलता है, it is 0.92 and 0.84. So इन दोनों का बीच में आता है. 0.84 का 5.2 है, 0.92 का 5.4 है. ठीक है, सो 0.84 का 5.2, 0.92 का 5.4. सो हमको 0.88 का चाहिए. As I need for 0.88, okay, 92 minus 84. Okay, which means positions will find 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't count this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 8 positions हमें fill करना पड़ेगा. 54 minus 52, difference is 2, right? 2 divided by 8 कितना आता है? 0.25. Okay, 52 plus 0.25, 52.25 plus 0.25, 52.5 plus 0.25, 52.75 plus 0.25, 53, 53.25, 53.50, 53.75, 54. So you will get the exact values. So for 0.88, ADP is 53 degree Fahrenheit, apparatus dew point temperature. Therefore, dehumidified rise dr equals to 1 minus bypass factor into room temperature minus ADP, which is 1 minus 0.4 into 75 minus 53, which is 13.2 degree Fahrenheit. देखो मैं चिल्ड वाटर सप्लाई कितना कर रहा हूं 53 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट कर रहा हूं चिल्ड वाटर रिटर्न कितना होता है 53 plus 13 66 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट दैट मींस इन द कूलिंग कॉइल हमको 13.2 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट टेम्परेचर राइज हो रहा है okay when there is a heat exchange the temperature rises nearly around 13.2 degree Fahrenheit therefore CFM equals to dehumidified CFM equals to room sensible heat divided by effective room sensible heat divided by dehumidified rise into 1.08 okay which is 11670.29 which is effective room sensible heat 13.2 is dehumidified rise 1.08 is the conversion factor which is 818 CFM so that means when you are using AHU or FCU हमें machine select करना है with respect to 818 CFM okay yeah make a note
Next, sir.
सर ये फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी सर 3% ऑलवेज लेते हैं सर और
बोलो
सर ये फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी जो 3% आपने लिया है तो ये ग्रैंड सब टोटल हीट का 3%
या
तो ये हमेशा रहेगा कि कुछ इसका चेंज हो सकता है
3% ही होगा
3% हम तो हमेशा यूज करते हैं
हाँ हाँ
ओके सर ये फैक्टर सेफ्टी 3% जो दिए हैं ग्रैंड सब टोटल हीट का लिए ना?
इट्स टेकन 15,359.43 का 3% लिया।
उसके बाद फिर उसमें जो 3% है उसमें ऐड किए हैं।
हाँ, ये दोनों वैल्यू ऐड किया विच इज 15,703 होता है।
ओके सर।
सर अपना टीआर जो आया 1.30, मतलब कि ये स्प्लिट विंडो के लिए 1.5 मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, तो हम लोग 1.5 सेलेक्ट
I'll
करेंगे।
discuss on selection of machine topic.
ओके ओके।
सर
Done now?
यस सर।
सर थोड़ा स्लाइड बैक करिए सर। सर इसमें 1 टन ऑफ प्रिपरेशन 12,000 BTU पर आवर है, तो टन ऑफ प्रिपरेशन सर उसमें ग्रैंड टोटल हीट डिवाइडेड बाई 12,000 सर क्यों किया सर, वो थोड़ा डाउट था।
Grand total divided by 12,000.
ये टन ऑफ प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगा।
हाँ,
ओके सर।
सर
yes.
sir, we are considering different percentages of factor of safety for sensible heat, latent heat, and total heat. Is it standard or
It's standard only.
okay? Sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Wait, sir. Wait. 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute, sir. सर ये 0.88 पे ही क्यों 53 ले रहा है? मतलब 0.88 क्यों ले रहा है सर?
क्या?
ये 0.88 की वैल्यू ही क्यों ले रहे हैं एडीपी की?
ठीक है,
ओके ओके, इस वैल्यू की, हाँ ठीक है। रूम टू माइनस जो था उसको स्लाइड करिएगा ना सर, जिसपे था एडीपी वाला। डन सर। डन सर।
yeah, find out for all the rooms. If you find out now for at least 2 to 3 rooms, we'll work on software. Make it fast.